Good afternoon, everyone. You know our FK9, and we removed the door. The reason why we removed the door is because today we're going to do something special. We've got some visitors. Andrew Mills, he's coming from Wingman Aviation, and the reason why he came today is so that I can give a try on the infamous Shark that is now battle-proven. So Andrew is with us. He's a former military pilot flying helicopters for the British, and he flew for the Australians as well. Andrew, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. It's lovely to be here today with you.
And word on the street is Shark is coming off the coast of Arcachon.
That's right. Arto, thank you. We had fantastic views today. Tandem configuration aircraft, which we absolutely love. It gives you so much extra performance over a side-by-side aircraft. You're looking at it right there. It's so narrow. That means you've got the speed and the endurance. We flew across France to be down here in the southwest of France yesterday, just 3.5 hours from central Germany. High speed, comfortable cruising. And then, of course, with the tandem configuration, flying up the beautiful coastline of Nouvelle-Aquitaine, we had these fantastic views for everybody in the cockpit. Everyone gets to share the experience.
And you were flying all above the traffic jams on the ground.
We didn't see them. We're flying too fast.
Too fast, awesome. So you have 100 horsepower in the front?
I know, that's right. And the 100 horsepower ULS engine gives us so many economies in terms of maintenance, and the fuel economy of this aircraft is absolutely fantastic, but also the amazing high speeds that this aircraft delivers, all inside a beautiful package that flies fantastically. I
used to fly Tucano with the French Air Force. I did some training, and basically it looks the same as a parachute as well, except you had 750 horsepower in the front. So I guess it's much more fuel efficient, and it's going to be much easier and lower cost to maintain. So can't wait to take it in the air. So I think the flight plan today is we're going to take off together. Right. We're going to enjoy the view and enjoy the flying characteristic of that sleek tactical jet. We'll see, Rotax at least. And then we're going to rejoin on Jean-Mi from ULM Sud Bassin. Nice. And with Hugo, and we're going to do some formation flying around 140 kilometers an hour. And don't be afraid, that's what they specialized in, that's what we loved. We briefed everything in advance.
Totally. So safety is our biggest priority.
That's not just a brief, we've been briefing for hours. Yeah. So I'll be your wingman today. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So we're looking at the start of the engine. I think 1305 is realistic. Yep. The goal of the mission is, number one, for me to be able to do a test flight safely of the Shark. Yep. Number two, to gather footage. That's going to be interesting. Therefore, we have FK9 avec Jean-Mi and Hugo, and we have Shark. What's your call sign?
Just Andrew.
With Andrew and Ate, so I'll be acting as a pilot in command. I'll be pilot flying. Yeah. And you'll be captain.
Yeah, okay, cool.
That's a commercial language.
Yeah. Totally happy with that, yeah.
The big picture is, on va décoller avec Andrew, on va sortir et on va passer avec Cazo, et on va faire 10 minutes de prise en main. So 10 minutes for us with Cazo on a frequency above 1000 feet to try the aircraft. We'll get more in detail in our section brief. Après, on va rejoindre ici. Toi, Jean-Mi, tu es en sortie ici avec Cazo. 2000 pieds, ça te va?
Ouais, on verra, même si on peut monter un peu plus, et puis après on verra avec eux.
2500 pieds.
On peut leur donner 2000, 3000.
Ok, he'll ask for a block 2 to 3K, a QNH. Tu prends point 1 cap au nord, et en fait ça veut dire quoi? C'est-à-dire que tu sors comme ça, là tu fais ton virage droite, tu vas t'aligner, et point 1 cap au nord, c'est un truc de marin, c'est-à-dire qu'une fois que tu es par là, tu pars, exactement, tu pars en virage gauche, et tu te prends 20-30 degrés d'inclinaison, et tu travailles en fait ton pattern comme ça. Okay. Donc mais si t'as pas, soit tu te fais un petit pattern, mais ce qui est important c'est cap 1, face north. Pourquoi? Parce que si tu es dans l'autre sens, enfin tu vois, moi comme ça je sais où tu arrives, je vais arriver comme ça, je vais te voir, il y a de grandes chances que je m'écarte un peu.
À moins que je sois en retour.
Mais je connais ta géométrie. I know how you're going to be flying, so it's easier for me. So for you, you're going to come out here, you wait here, you go Cape 1 heading north, and then up left turn. And you wait left turn 140 km/h, et tu prends à ta main 20 degrés of angle of bank. Tu m'entendras sur Cazo. Je vais coller visual, tu annonces visual quand tu me vois également. Et important, visual, relèvement horaire, et ton altitude. Tu donnes la tienne. Comme ça, moi, tout de suite, je peux m'espacer. Ok. Je descendrai en dessous et j'arriverai par le bas. Ok, so once we rejoin, what we're going to do is you maintain 100, tu gardes 140 km/h. Je te dirai qu'on est rassemblés pareil et je dirai à Caso, donc tu m'entendras parler à Caso et comme ça tu sais ce qu'on fait la next step, c'est on va partir vers le nord, vers l'île aux oiseaux. No need to be very close today, he has good zooms and it's not the goal, number one is safety. So we'll move in like a bit like this and then maybe I'll move a little bit like this just to move the aircraft so that he has footage of us flying around as if we're not doing a photo shoot. Et ensuite là, pouf, quand on est là, ce que tu fais, on est entre 2 et 3000, on fait la séparation. Nous on descend, pouf, on va se faire le point, et toi tu te fais ton petit 360 tranquille et tu suis. Est-ce que la big picture c'est clair pour toi?
So, how did you find that? Did you enjoy it?
Much. I felt like we're flying a military aircraft.
Yeah, nice. It's cool.
From the flow on the radio, we have the same culture in terms of words and the way we do the training. But I guess it's something that you do with your clients as well.
Yeah, and I love your briefing. I thought your briefing was exactly what I would expect. I loved all the things you put in there.
I felt like 15 years back. so that was awesome. The aircraft was great. Flying characteristic was above what I expected, especially around 140 kilometers an hour.
Yep.
I expected to be a bit difficult. The aircraft doesn't slow down a lot, but coming from a jet culture, I'm used to that because the jets do not really slow down when you fly formation. So I really enjoyed it. The G's were awesome, like 3.5 continuous G's. We stop. If one day I have one, I'll do it for hours.
It's nice. Huh?
It was a lot of fun. Weather was perfect, the area is perfect. From time to time we see German people, but we should have more coming deep south here.
It's a perfect trip for a German shark owner. It's only 3.5 hours. You're only going to use about 60 litres of fuel to get down here, and to be hosted and welcomed by you here would be just awesome for German shark owners.
I mean, Grüß Gott.
Yeah, exactly.
Ich habe ein bisschen German. Actually, I lived a year in Germany, but it was like 30 years ago, so I'm a bit rusty. But awesome. So thank you for being my wingman today.
Huge pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And I'm sure we're going to do more content because the plane is awesome, the training and the the culture you bring in general aviation is awesome as well. I'm fully aligned, so I hope we'll see each other.
Thank you. And we're going to be running formation camps regularly during the year, and we would love to see you maybe in September next year, or September this year, to come and do some formation flying with us.
That would be awesome. With pleasure.
Cool.
So
thanks very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers.